back to DunnZWorld. I'm done. If you're new here, let me give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You love it here. And if you're returning, welcome back, fam. So before we even get into the video of the day, I want to do a mental check-in with you guys. I want to know how you all are doing. If you ask me how I'm doing, I am doing okay. I'm taking it a day at a time. And the reason why I'm doing a mental check with you all, and the reason why I'm doing a mental check-in with you guys and asking you how you're doing, because I know it is the holiday time, and this is the time of the year where people struggle the most, whether they're away from friends or don't have any, or they're away from family or don't have any. And I know this is a very, very, and I mean extremely tough time for a lot of people. So I would like to do a mental check-in. Please drop me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. How's your day? What are your plans for the holidays? You understand what I'm saying? I feel like it's only right that I do that, because why not? All right, why not? You understand what I'm saying? I mean, you're already here. You're already watching me. So go ahead and drop me a comment and let me know how you're doing. Shoot, let me know that you're safe. Are you safe? Are you okay? I feel like that's major too. Let me know that you're safe. Hell, you woke up this morning. Let me know how you're doing, okay? Like, I wanted to open my video and start there, because just like I experienced things, my wife experienced things, my family experienced things, my friends experienced things, I know that the individuals that watch my channel experience things as well, all right? None of us are perfect. We are all humans here, and not everybody has it, you know, a picket fence with flowers and everything is so hunky-dory. It's not. Life be hard, especially, and I mean especially around this time of the year. Money is tight. You just had Thanksgiving. You probably went all out for the food. You know what I'm saying? Things are very tight, and we already know what's going on with inflation and in groceries and just anything in that realm of having to spend money. We already know what that's about. So I would like to do a mental check-in with you guys. So let me know how you're doing. Let me know how you're feeling. How's your family? How's your kids? How's your friends? Let me know how you are doing. All right. So just wanted to open the video up and say that that's not what this video is about, though. We are going to be reviewing the Nike Air Max WAFFLE RACER sneakers. So these sneakers, which I have them right here, these sneakers come in 3 different colorways: the action green, the vapor purple, and the all black pair, which I don't know what the all black pair is called, which I don't even know if those are like completely out just yet. All right, I just been seeing them circulating around, so I don't know if they're completely out yet, but just keep an eye out for those in case they are. Go ahead and hop on that and cop those, because the action green and the vapor purple are selling out, okay? I don't even know if they're still available. I just so happened to cop mine off of Goat, which Goat is pretty good with keeping a lot of things in stock for the most part, but I don't know for how long. I don't know for how long, all right? So with that being said, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit this notification bell right here, so that you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. As far as sneakers goes, I don't think I have too many bright color sneakers, and that's what I mainly have been looking for to add to my sneaker collection. It's just brighter sneakers, you know? I have been trying to get off into just doing and styling things differently as far as my clothes and sneakers, and I don't have enough of a variety of color, okay? Need some color. So I went on ahead and copped these sneakers that I'm about to show you guys, but I also went on ahead and copped 2 pair of Adidas Samas, which I'm gonna do a review on both of those as well, okay? Which the orange ones that I ordered should be coming in sometime today. I already got the yellow ones, which you guys seen that in the reel, all right? But let's get into these WAFFLE RACERs. I'm gonna already tell you right here, right now, are comfortable. So these are a size 9. Now, I do have a little room in the shoe. I do have a little room. Nothing too crazy though. Not like they're flopping off of my foot. Very comfortable for the most part. But I will say that I probably would have been okay going a half size down, getting an 8.5. Probably would have been okay. I feel confident by saying that. But needless to say, this is a very comfortable shoe. I just tried them on. I actually was just outside and it's crazy, murky, cloudy, rainy weather, in which I don't even know if you want to call it rain. I'm gonna say misty weather. And as you can tell, the suede is still intact. Like, it's not, you can't even tell that the shoe was wet, in which the shoe was wet, but it kind of done dried now. But let's get into the shoe. The sneaker is made of suede going around the toe, the shoelace, and on the back right here. Also have black faux leather. I'm gonna call it faux leather just because I know it ain't real leather. Black faux leather on the Nike shoe. Get that close up so you guys can see that right there. As well as on the back for the logo. Oh my goodness, this right here is just a classic emblem. Oh my gosh. If you had a pair of the Nike Air Max Plus, like, you know, this right here is just, it just brings back memories of when I was a child and I had a pair myself, especially the bottom part. Like, what? I still see people wearing the Nike Air Maxes to this day. I personally have not went and bought another pair. I honestly, maybe I just grew out of it, or maybe I just don't find them that amusing for me to buy, if that makes sense, okay? But these, on the other hand, I felt like the style and the colorway I had to cop, okay? And then we have nylon going around the shoe. Also have that on the tongue as well. Basic shoelaces, nothing too extravagant about that, which you mainly find these type of shoelaces on all sneakers, especially running sneakers. But let's get into the cushion part, which is this bottom sole. All right, so now, like I was just saying about the Nike Air Maxes, you will definitely find this type of cushion, not this one specifically, but you will find the cushion on the Nike Air Maxes. Now, if you have a pair, let me know if yours are uncomfortable. Because what they went on ahead and did with this pair, they went on ahead and reconstructed the cushion of this shoe for better comfort and just for a better cushion. I can't remember how my Nike Air Maxes felt back in the day when I was a kid. I can't tell you if they was comfortable or not, but if you have a pair of Nike Air Maxes, let me know if your cushion is hard, if it's, I don't know, if it's just too firm. Let me know, because I don't know, and I don't care to go buy a pair to try to figure out if it is or if it's not. But based off of what they are advertising, this is what they're saying with the sneaker, is that they wanted to make it feel a lot better on the heel of your foot, okay? Prior to this sneaker's release, you have the Nike Air Max Pulse, the Nike Air Max Ridge Rock, and then the Nike Air Max Plus 3, the tuned variants, all right? So quite a shoe, all right? Quite a shoe, and hopefully you guys can see this, because this shoe is something serious. I'm quite satisfied with my purchase, all right? Quite satisfied. And you know, I didn't even think of it when I bought the shoe and when I just tried the shoe on and when I was outside, but I have a Helly Hansen raincoat that is the same exact color as these sneakers, and when I threw it on with the sneaker, I was like, wow, this actually goes perfectly, same exact color and all. But anywho, that's for another subject as far as styling these sneakers go. But like I said, I have been dying to add much more color and just brightness to my wardrobe, all right? And this right here, what I was looking for. And whenever I do the review on the 2 Adidas sneakers, you will see what I'm talking about, because those are bright sneakers as well. I don't know, the shoe it kind of got a little weight to it. It's not like extremely heavy, but it got a little weight to it. I'll say that. It's not like, god damn, it's a heavy ass shoe. But it has a little weight to it, and mainly the weight is coming from this cushion though. And just to go a little bit more into the tuned air on the bottom, that emblem, as well as this emblem right here, it also adds better traction and style to the sneaker, mainly for my runners, all right? I want to add myself into that equation of runners, but because I hurt my knee, I guess I'm not technically a runner anymore. But this shoe right here will probably be your best bet for running. Now, I'm not running to these. These is strictly for drip, okay? I don't even think I would wear these to the gym. You feel what I'm saying? But needless to say, I like the shoe. Very comfortable shoe. I feel confident in saying that you can go a half a size down from your original shoe size, because they do run a little big. But as far as how I like for my shoes to fit, these are perfect, okay? Now, let's get into how these look on my feet.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Gone for a year, only wrote like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want, doing what I want, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. But what you want? like Tyler Perry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My opus fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide on what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself.
So that is the Nike Air Max Waffle Racer sneaker. Went on ahead and presented to you guys what the shoe looks like, what it feels like, sizing. I gave you a look of the shoe on foot. So hopefully you guys were able to take something from this video if you are interested in either one of the styles that this sneaker has to offer, especially the colorways that are already out, which are the Action Green, Vapor Purple, and the all black pair. And like I said, I'm not sure what the all black ones are called, but I have been told that they are a very popular pair. Okay, so with that being said, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, that way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And as always, fam, peace.
Keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. And you took my love. You took my love. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that a love like that won't last? Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby? I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. Call me when you need some. Call me when I gave you all that I have inside, and you took my love. You took my love. I keep crying.